Continue to talk about medicine. Just imagine you enter a hospital, a polyclinic, and in 20 minutes the AI would know everything about your health status, and it would prompt the doctor a proper treatment plan. Just the outcomes of your tests would be sufficient. And what if the prevention comes years before problems arise? We will talk with Yan Bing, director from the Smart Healthcare Research Center for Precision Medicine, Tsinghua. Breakthrough technologies and solutions, and what awaits us tomorrow. Please come on stage.
And over to you.
Okay, yeah. Good afternoon. Yeah. I'm Bing Yang, yeah, from Tsinghua University. Today I would like to introduce our work to you about the AI application in healthcare. And today my topic will be divided in 4 parts. One is about us. I would like to introduce our team, and then I would like to introduce what can AI do, but just my understanding. Maybe you have more understanding about that. And I will show you some AI applications about what we have done and what we have been used in the real scenarios. And then I would like to introduce our future research. So this is our team. Actually, in Tsinghua University, we are focusing on how to use the AI in the healthcare. So we organize the medical team and the engineer teams together. So, and the technical guys are from the Tsinhua's AI Research Institutes. And also, we have the medical guys that are from the hospitals. That's the Tsinghua Changgeng Hospital. Now we have 2 academicians, Zhang Bo and Lu Jianhua, and these two guys, they are our chief scientists, and represent the engineering side, and the Dr. Xiao Jianzhong Xiao. He is the doctor. He's a doctor from the Tsinghua Changgeng Hospital. And this is our research field. Actually, everyone from the aspect of the healthcare, and everyone would like to have a system. This system can provide you the healthcare services every time, everywhere, and anyone can have it all the time. So we need a created system support to support this services system. So we want this system can provide healthcare maintenance, healthcare recovery, and healthcare promotions. And we want this system can provide also the, for example, for the disease pre-screening, and also we have the consultation, and we have the diagnosis, we have the treatment, and then the application. But now we don't have such system. We want some AI technology to be involved to implement that. So that's our requirement. So now we have developed a system, we call it the Tsinghua Healthcare Intelligence System. The abbreviation is the THIS, T-H-I-S, THIS. So we use this and we provide a technical support system here. So we link different guys inside the region. We call them the health care unit. And so not only the doctors in the hospital, we want the services, the healthcare services providers, and even the residents inside these regions, we can bundle all together. So the regions can use our system to deal with their problems and to take care of their family. And the primary doctor, they can use this system. They can deal with most of the requirements from the residents. And then we, everywhere, no matter this residents to go to everywhere inside this region, he can get the high quality, the same level, high quality services. So, and currently we are applying this system in Tiantongyuan area, just near Tsinghua Chang'eng Hospital. We serve for 1 billion people. So this is just one try, but now lots of the other hospitals and other the regions, other cities, they want to apply this system there. Now we have lots of the partners, and we have the hospitals, and we also have the healthcare services providers and education institution, and we also have the medical equipment manufacturers, research institutes, and the financial and insurance institutes. We bundle everybody together to form the healthcare unit. So that's about us. Now I would like to just waste 2 minutes to introduce AI. I think all of you are familiar with AI, but I still want to say something about that because we want to just form a consensus about AI, what AI can do and what AI cannot do. So actually, we want to develop a system. We call AI. AI is just a branch of the computer science. And we want the computer can think, can act just like a real person. So that's AI. It seems easy, but actually that's not easy. So I will show you one example. Currently, the most hot topic on the internet is AIGC. So that's the example. We use the Tsinghua system to generate. We use the text, picture to generate video. So the picture is from, I have a plan there, the flower. So we give the prompt, the flowers are gone with the wind. So that's it. We generate the audio, generate the video. So our system can recognize the picture first, and it can recognize my word. Then it can know what I should do, and we will construct a virtual world. And in that virtual world, we put the object inside, and finally to generate the video. So that's very interesting. And also, robot is also a very important branch of the AI industry. We can see lots of the industry robot, and we have lots of the special robot. And also the AGV is a robot. The UAV is a robot too. We have humanoid, they are also robot. The right picture is the Da Vinci. It is the surgical robot. Just now, I want to show you some pictures, and we have a mountain airpace, but we just give 1,000 of the disturbance on it. And human can see it is still that picture, but if you use the AI system to find that, it is a dog. So, and if you apply this system on the, for example, the medical images, so what happened? So there will be a very big problem. And currently we have a lot of the data, but nobody knows what kind of data will be useful or not. So I don't think AI can do everything. Some guys will think, okay, we have data, we have the algorithms, and we have the computing power, so we can do everything. No. But you should know what kind of data you should get. That's knowledge. So currently in 2015, we raised the first concept of the third generation of AI. And that's we add one more important factors inside. That's the knowledge. So we should have knowledge to involve in AI. So we need to know what kind of knowledge we have. Then we can build a real AI system can be trusted. Yeah. Otherwise, the system is not explainable. It is not trusted, and it is not robust. I cannot go back, so it is a pity. So that's my understanding to AI. And okay, under this understanding, I would just like to show you some application scenarios about our AI application. So in the healthcare industry, we have lots of the applications. Yeah, for example, for the services, for management, yeah, for diagnosis, for the image processing, for the surgical robot, lots of things. Yeah, but today I don't want to talking about too much of the detail of the technology. I'm just want to give you some application scenarios here, and maybe it will encourage you to get more ideas. So the first thing is that, okay, how we use the large language model in our healthcare industry. And I don't recommend to use the common large language model because we cannot show everything. So currently, we're just using our third generation AI's concept to develop the specialized LLM. So how can we do that? Yeah, so the first thing, we need to building our professional knowledge base. And then according to this knowledge base, we use the RAG technology to search in this knowledge base to find out the knowledge. And then we use the large language models technology to organize the work to speed out. And we also have another technology, is the mixture of experts. That means we would have lots of the models to deal with different kinds of data. And then we will have, we develop an intelligent agent. This agent can deal with different kinds of things. And we bundle different models and different roles together. Finally, we get a specialized large language model. For example, I give you one example. Sorry. Okay, this is also one example. Here, we develop large languages for the children fever, for the parents. So we have about 10 consensus and medical guidelines. According to this knowledge, we develop a system. So currently, we just embedded this system in the registration applications for the hospital. Currently, it can provide services to those guys that they want to come to the hospital. And we want them to consult, to make the consultation to our system first. They don't need to just rush to the hospital. Currently, every month we provide services for more than thousands of users.
全面康复的定义是什么？康复医疗必须做全面性康复照顾。Welcome.
As we know, we would like to. Sorry. Okay, no. It is not me. I don't control it. Yeah. Just now I show you that digital doctor. Currently, we just correct the images and the voice from the doctor, and we can make a digital doctor. So that digital doctor, he can speak different kinds of language. The most important thing is that we want this virtual digital doctor. He can give the right knowledge to the right patients. Okay, yeah. Here is also we provide we use the AI nutrition model, so we can help the patients. They can know and whether these things I can eat or not, because after they go out the hospital, the doctor will give them a prescription to tell him what you should eat and what you cannot eat. But okay, I go to the restaurant and when I take a look at the food, I'm not sure whether this thing can satisfy the standard, whether I can eat or not. So they just take a picture and upload it, and our system can analyze it, and also, and according to their medical record, so to give him the advice whether you can eat or not.
孟先生，你好，我是您的智能糖尿病医学随访助手。首先，我想了解一下，自从您出院以来，您有没有按照医嘱进行复查，比如血常规、肝肾功能、药常规和早期肾损伤检查等。
Here is very interesting, and as we know, the patients when they leave the hospital, they want to get help from the doctor, but actually the doctor have no time to communicate with him. So we use the system. We can just according to the doctor's plan. We call it the rehabilitation plan. So it can communicate with the patients just using the word. So finally, and we get all the data back, and we can put all the things into the hospital's information system. And here is the example for we using AI to help the research, the scientific research in hospital. This is one example here. We have more than 10 hospitals to do a research together. But as you know, we cannot guarantee everybody in these 10 hospitals, they can have the same knowledge. So we develop an AI LLM so to help them. They can ask to, according to our hospital's conditions, how can I do that research plan? And also they can consult about the key technology. And for this is also interesting. We use this technology, use the word to generate the images to help those children with autism. Because to them, we all know that painting, drawing is very useful to those guys, to those children. But it is hard for them to learn how to draw. So we just give them some little, they just speak just several words, several sentences. We can help to generate the picture for them. So it is, they are very happy. So they can draw a very beautiful picture. And they can also, according to the picture, to adjust it. For example, okay, can this, can eye of the dolphin can a little bigger, right? Yeah. And currently we deal with 500 children every day in Beijing.
大家好，我是北京清华。
Yeah, and previously we are talking about the digital doctor technology, and we also have the intelligence follow-up system. So we combine all this technology together to help the hospital to get the high-quality patients. For example,
大家好，
for example, here, this is we use the doctor's images to generate the digital doctor. So we use we generate the videos. So the other hospitals, doctor and the patients, they can see, to take a look at the videos, that they can know how to deal with their liver cancer. So, and currently we use this system and serve for more than 100,000 liver cancers every year. And then they can use our large language models to consult whether my cancer can be healed by using this kind of technology. Yeah. So if the answer is yes, we just redirect these patients to the right hospital to do the operation.
大家好，我是北京清华。
And here is the.
我是北京清华长庚。
We also provide the digital patients. We not only provide the digital doctor, we only provide the digital patients. As you know, we provide the training and education, but it is not easy. Why not easy? Because we want the students, they learn how to do the diagnosis, how to do the treatment. They just not just according to the writing on the book to do that. They should think. And after thinking, those things live in his brain. That's the real things. So, okay, we developed the digital patients. They can communicate with these patients. And, okay, so what's the problem with you? And they can make the diagnosis and they can do the treatment. Because all the data is from the real medical record. So, and it is easy for us to training our students and also for us to evaluate the level of the doctor. And previously, we are just talking about the LLM's application in the healthcare industry. And also we have lots of the AI applications in other aspects. For example, here we can use the images processing technology to deal with the ultrasound videos, to find out the carotid plaque in the neck. And we use the sound analysis technology to do the intelligence auscultations. Yeah. Okay, we also provide the smart pharmacy robot in the hospital from the storage and also from the smart PIVAS and the automatic dispense of the medicine. Currently in China, there's more than dozens of hospitals have using our technology. And also there are 2 hospitals, they want to implement a no-man pharmacy system. We also research about the brain-computer interface. We call it the BCI, to help those patients with stroke. So it can help them to move their upper arm. Okay, finally, it is our future research. We have developed lots of the specialized system model. In the future, we want to combine them together, just like the MDT. And also, we want to develop a system with different kinds of hospitals. We can want them to cooperate together to do more creative work. And also, we want to combine our system, our models with the hardware. And finally, we would like to do the multimodal interaction with the doctors, with patients. But it is not easy because we want all the researchers together. We should discuss about the standards, how to summarize the knowledge from the data, and how to extraction and how to qualification of those medical data, how to get those knowledge. Yeah, that's a problem. And in the future, we would like to cooperate with each other and to make more standard, more system, and more application. Thank you.
Professor Binyan, thank you for your presentation. Despite it was totally informative. Thank you so much. And we've got one question from the audience for you, and here it is. How to ensure the safety and reliability of AI systems in conditions of high-risk patients' health?
This is a very great question. Yeah, actually, especially in the healthcare, the safety is the first thing, because just not like entertainment and the other aspect. Okay, because we are just facing the human's life. So that's why we want to develop the third generation AI. Because if the AI system, they give the recommendation, the diagnosis, opinions, the treatment plan, you cannot trust it. There will be a big disaster. Disaster. So that's a big problem. That's one. The other thing is that we need to provide, we need to protect the user privacy. I mean the patient's privacy. That's also very important. Yeah, because we cannot release those information to the internet. So how can you link different hospitals to coordinate them to do the creative work? So kind of we are using just like the federation running, yeah, to do that. So we use the blockchain technology, so we can use the data, but we cannot see those data. We just transfer the model to each hospital to do that, but we don't transfer the data on the internet. So that's it. Good question. Thank you.
Thank you for your answer, Professor Binyan. Thanks so much for being here, for sharing your knowledge and experience with us. Thank you so much.